Jamaican style jerk fish. If you haven't seen how I prep this fish, stop right now, right here, and go watch the video right before this. In that video, I prepped my jerk fish and I put them in the freezer. I did about 5 or 6, which means whenever I'm busy and don't have time to do prep work, which is most of the time, all I have to do is grab one of my jerk fish, wrap out the freezer, add some water to it, 1/4 cup of water, and just throw it in my oven. Frozen same way. It can go in the oven on your stove, it can go in your toaster oven, it can go in your air fryer. You name it. You can even put it outside on fire. This is great for the busy girl or guy because, honey, this is dinner. Right away, we cut out the carbs. Believe me when I tell you, this is filling. So nothing about this no cook. Nothing in it no cook yet. So what I did was took it out the freezer, open up the file, add a 1/4 cup of water, wrap it up back nicely. Be sure your foil paper have no holes in it. I put mine on a baking pan. Then I just put it in my air fryer oven. I'm using my Kasari 12-in-1 smart toaster oven. Now because you know see me use it long time now, me use it all the times, almost every day. Quick and easy clean up. So I gave it 35 minutes to bake on 400. Keep in mind this fish is frozen. So when I took it out after the 35 minutes and I opened it up, lo and behold, it was not ready. Of course you expect that, but guess what? It was defrost. All I had to do was put it in back for another 30 minutes on the same 400, and 30 minutes later, see it here. So hard rock frozen, I gave it 1 hour and 35 minutes. Keep in mind, if you take this out a couple hours before you cook it and just sit it out at room temperature, or you take it out overnight and just sit it in the fridge part, all this need to cook is at 35 minutes. Let me say go watch a prep video because you don't have to add anything to it. So don't ask me add to it because it's in the prep video. You must see the prep video. I can't explain to you how delicious this smell cooking. Once me open my file paper, all me need a 1 fork and 1 spoon to go and eat, you know, because me I devour it. I eat my fish whole and bone because me love the head and all, but you can do this fillet too. Obviously the fillet will cook in less time. I was sitting in the dark eating, you know. Right here, so just my kitchen light. So I say, let me turn on the bright light so you can see me devour this. This was so good and it was perfect. I didn't have to add any salt. I didn't have to add any pepper. The one season when me season it up, I think it take a special person to get your food so perfect. I didn't have to add anything. It had the perfect amount of salt, the perfect amount of pepper. I did use some of our very own, very necessary original jerk seasoning. I also use some island spiced oil. Listen, if you haven't gotten, the link won't be in this one, but in the first video, click the orange basket to get them. Or better yet, go in any one of my video and click the orange basket, go in on my TikTok shop. You're gonna impress yourself and whoever else you make this for. You can see I didn't even make this cool, but then again, I love hot food. So if you like your food cool, make it cool down. Oh my God, I couldn't stop eating. And be careful, watch out for bone. As I was saying, this is lake fish and it's the perfect fish for jerk. If you notice, I don't jerk the other fish, but this one, oh my God, it's called a crappie. It's giving the vibes of Dr. Fish, but it not tastes like Dr. Fish. It's just nice tenderness and how it suck up all of the seasoning. And me I talk about good Dr. Fish, not the old tough Dr. Fish when water catches skin up. Anyways, like me, that's me enjoy my fish. Me name down everything as you can see. Clean up was a breeze. Listen to me. Grab a very necessary product, watch part 1 and go and make your own.